है, ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है,
छोटा है,
बहुत ही छोटा है।
अच्छा। Oh, come here, you.
Gentle.
Come here, you. Come here. Come here, you little one. Ojo. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. What a cute little one. Hi.
In some bag.
Hi. How can you even put this in a bag? What a beautiful one, dude. I'm so happy. You won't believe I'm seeing one of these species in after like maybe 4-5 years. I haven't seen a baby of this one.
Which snake is this?
It's called a buff stripe keelback.
Okay.
Dude, this is look at those colors, man. I'm so excited. Look at the red color. Look at the yellow color in it. Oh my God! What a beautiful day. I'm so happy that I've found this. We don't see them anymore inside the heart of Bangalore. You know.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the species like gone. We have lost the habitat for them.
Okay,
So I'm not going to
I
be.
didn't want to kill it.
No,
Also.
very sweet of you. I'm not going to be releasing this very far. Probably outside the gate of this campus, I'm going to release it.
Why?
They have a habitat where they have to survive. Look, inside the heart of Bangalore, they don't have a place anymore. They can't survive if I release them over there. Such a beautiful one. Come here, man, bro. Look at that yellow color at the neck. And those dots over here. Allah Akbar. What a beautiful snake. What a beautiful snake, bro. You should see the colors. Come closer. You'll see the colors. It's not something that you'll. ये इतना पास से आप देख नहीं पाओगे. इधर आओ, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. इसका कलर देखो कैसा है. इसके बीच में ये दिख रहा है. इधर लाल लाल कलर, ऑरेंज कलर बीच में है. दिख रहा है स्केल्स के बीच में ऑरेंज, और यहाँ पे येलो, और ये डॉट्स देखो. भाई यही तो है सांप की खूबसूरती. So we have come now to release this cute little monster which scared some other people. Oh, by the way, today in my rescues I have Umar from Mysore who has joined me, and we have Ishan. I recommend everyone to go ahead and buy his book that he's written. What's the name of the book, please?
The Light of Wilder Things. The Light of Wilder Things.
All right. And this is Ishan. He's written a book. I met him when he was. How old were you then?
Maybe 17.
Yeah. When he was 17 years old, I happened to go and find a checkered keelback at his house in Indranagar. And after all that, after all these years, yesterday at the Bangalore Literature Fest, I was standing there, and there was a voice which came calling out saying, "Hey, Shoaib, you had come and rescued a snake at my house." And I'm like, okay, who's this guy? I have no clue. And then Ishan introduces himself to me, and then I got to know that he wrote a book, and it's quite an interesting book. I am certainly going to give it a try. Not a very good reader, but I'm certainly going to give it a try. Congratulations on your book. Thanks a ton. And thank you so much for coming over. It's been a pleasure having this fellow with me. I've been waiting to go out for a rescue with you for a very, very long time. This is the time we got a chance to go out together.
It was a pleasure, and
what
happy
a
to
day.
see the species.
What
such
a
long
day.
time.
What a day. What a beautiful snake to be able to rescue and cherish these moments together. Look at that color. I've been talking about John's back tree snake, which has light blue as its interscalar colors, but look at this one. It has orange and that yellow color at the tip of the mouth with those black stripes. I mean, how much time does really God Almighty have to make all of these little beings in such a beautiful manner? How does he manage to do this? He has so much. Look at that. How pretty is that little head popping out, mix and match of those colors. It's just insane. All right, we are going to let this little one go, and you'll see how fast it can just vanish. Okay, it's gone. And we are going to step away from here so that we don't trample on it. Okay. I have really no clue where it's gone. Alrighty.
Vanish.